Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this soft pink makeup look. This is pretty much like daytime glam. I will wear this going out to lunch. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So today's video is partially in partnership with Cogendo. So I already washed my face and added moisturizer, and then I left and ran errands, and now I'm coming back to do my makeup. So because I have been outside in the world with all the pollen and impurities and pollution and all of the stuff that's in the air, I do want to go in and do a small cleansing. Nothing that's too harsh on the skin, just something that's really gentle. And to do that, I like to use a micellar water. And as you guys saw in my skincare routine, my favorite micellar water is actually from Cogendo. So I'm going to be using this, and because this is their 10-year anniversary with the spa water, they have it in a special packaging. They have one that pumps down, which is a really cool packaging. This is like my favorite packaging. One of my moisturizers has this exact same packaging, and I love it. It's so simple and easy to use. So with the spa water, I'm just going to take a cotton pad and press it down, and then I'm just going to cleanse the skin. There's just a little bit of dirt on here, and you don't want to have that on your skin before you put on makeup, because makeup will kind of trap it in there and you don't want to do that. So now I'm just going to apply my moisturizer, and I'm using the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer. And to apply this, I've actually been using my Sigma brushes. Sigma just came out with some skincare brushes, so I've been using the moisturizer brush to apply my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna let my moisturizer soak into the skin before I apply my primer. So now I'm going to prime my skin with the Laura Geller Spackle Blur, and this is actually in a stick formula, and it is the matte version. So I'm gonna be trying this for the first time. I can't wait to see how this works. Oh yeah, that mattified this side. Look at that. I mean, it's like a before and after kind of thing. It's like matte. It doesn't have a strong scent at all, which is nice. For foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made. Just apply that directly to the skin, and then I'm gonna blend it in with a beauty sponge. I think I'm gonna go in with one more layer of that foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bareskin Concealer in the shade Medium. And just apply this to the areas I want to highlight. So for powder, I'm going to set with the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder. This concealer kind of creases pretty quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and set it. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Buxom bronzer. So I just got this palette from BH Cosmetics. I bought the 26 color shadow and blush palette. It has some really nice shades in it. I kept this green on it just so I can show you guys. I really like that they have matte, soft shimmer, metallic. It tells you the finish of it, which is perfect for beginners. If you're not familiar with the different formulas or different types of eyeshadows, then you can get familiar if you have this, so you can learn how you like your eyeshadow. So I thought that was pretty cool. But it does come off, so you'll have to keep this around. So the first shadow I'm going to use is this one right here. And then I'm just going to apply this to the crease. And then I'm going to take this soft pink right here and apply it to the lid. And then with this even softer pink shade, I'm going to use that in the inner corner. Then with that same brown we used in our crease, I'm going to just add that to the lower lash line. So for blush, I'm going to use this blush right here. Yeah, we'll do this one. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. So I'm going to apply the Persona Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Zuma. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Chihiro. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use the Cogendo Herbal Spa Mist. You can use this with or without makeup, but I like to use it to set my makeup after I'm finished. You can also take this on a plane to refresh your skin if you suffer from dry skin, especially on planes. I know a lot of people do. And it's under the 3.4 fluid ounces that you have to have for a carry-on. So it's perfect for that. So I'm going to use this to set my makeup. It smells amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you leave me a thumbs up, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.